We have the Firework Festival weekend in Pattaya, and I want to show you what happened in the first day, or better say in the first night. We start the evening by crossing soi number 8, where you can see the sailor bar on the right hand side. There you can eat well and drink cheap and good cocktails. Beachroad and the lower part of Pattaya Klang Road are closed to traffic today. This causes traffic jams on all other roads in Pattaya, as many visitors have come to the city for the fireworks today. The ships from which the fireworks are set off are opposite Pattaya Klang Road. I will be filming from there with my drone today. I already flew over the ships with the drone in the morning. If you want to see it, you can find the video on my channel. But before we continue, I would like to show you what this bar complex on Beachroad looked like just 6 months ago. Everything here was torn out and completely rebuilt. I still had this video footage on my PC and thought I could include it here, even if it has nothing to do with the fireworks tonight. That was 6 months ago and everything has been rebuilt. I will now show you how it looks like here today. Let's walk along the beach road and then continue towards Pattaya Klang to watch the fireworks. There are 5 fireworks shows tonight. The first show starts at 7:30 AM with the fireworks from Malaysia.